In front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. And by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Now click on Dual Apps and hit Create at the bottom. Following that, just click on the gray switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone and hit Turn On in the pop-up. Then wait. You can also select one of your apps from Recommended section at the top and click on gray switcher next to Dual Apps to clone it. After that, you can manage all of those options under Personalization. Just click on the chosen one and pick one of the options from the pop-up. I will go with Default app. So when I go back, as you can see, my apps were successfully cloned. In order to delete those clones, go back to the same settings and click on No Blue switcher next to Dual App or next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!